Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and this is bee fishing. So if you've never caught a swarm and you can see them happening, if you have your bucket ready and some stinky old comb and a little bit of Swarm Commander and are very patient and wear your protective gear, you're able to catch a swarm. So hopefully we'll get the queen in here and show you them in a box. So we were able to attract the bees into this bucket with some comb and Swarm Commander, and they started to huddle up and ball up here, and we were able to find the queen. So we caged the queen. She's in there now. As you can see, these bees are looking for her. They're fanning, looking for her. So what we'll do is we'll put the queen cage with the queen in the bottom of this. The rest of these bees that are flying around, any that are on the ground, will just head right into her box. And that's how you catch a swarm.